and today I will show you how to do a double wall carved pieces. To start with, and we'll show you the clay that I use. This is the porcelain clay from I bought the clay from the company, and they come in 25-pound bag, and I use it as I need. So first step to do the clay is to prepare the clay. And I don't need this much. I cut as much as I need. And clay dust dried up, so we need to make sure it's covered. And I'm going to, I call wedging the clay to make sure there's no air bubble trapped in the clay. This wedging is called spiral wedge. And I will finish it in a cone shape.